Bob, I believe you said earlier if you have plans in the morning, you might want to bring a light jacket with you.
Yeah, light jacket, sweater. It's going to be kind of chilly for Florida standards. You know, typically in this month we have highs in the low 80s and lows into the mid 60s really, but we're going to be down into the low to mid 50s tomorrow morning. So it will be kind of cool, but it's a nice break right before we get into the summer heat. Casey Key webcam was active today showing big waves. We had all sorts of advisories in effect for our area as a result of the strong waves that were moving on through. And again, you can see a beautiful sunset tonight on Casey Key. And it looks as though we had a couple of photos set in, nice photos that is. And this one from Terracea Bay, Susan Humphreys getting that beautiful sunset. Fred Seeger, Longboat Key with the sea oats there in the foreground. You can see just a few cumulus clouds off in the distance. Well, what's going on now? The front is through, brought us some rough weather yesterday, some much needed rainfall. High pressure now over Louisiana continues to move very slowly to the east, but it's building in. Area around it, the wind is flowing out of the west-northwest, and we're getting that northerly flow here, and that's going to cool us down. In fact, we'll see temperatures more like February as opposed to mid-April. We will look for a warmer Wednesday, though, as winds start to veer more to an easterly direction. That high will park itself off east of the state. And guess what? We have another cold front. Looks like it will arrive on late Sunday and Monday now. Right now, it doesn't appear that it's going to be a heavy rainmaker for the weekend, but I think it'll be mainly after the weekend is over we'll get that rainfall. Temperatures currently down in the 50s already in Jacksonville, Tallahassee, and Orlando. Still pretty warm in Miami and also Siesta Key as well, checking in at mid-60s. 63 in downtown Sarasota, 73 in the water temperature, 61 in Punta Gorda, 59 though already in Arcadia. We could see some temperatures here into the upper 40s in places like Arcadia, Wauchula, and Mayaca City. Coastal locations not as cold, but still cool. And as far as the futurecast goes, that front continues to push off into the Atlantic around that big area of low pressure, which is causing all sorts of headaches over the Northeast. But for us, not much going on. Lots of high pressure dominating, and that usually means fair skies, and that will stay with us all the way through Wednesday. Looks like even into Thursday. Now, there's a weak front approaching on Wednesday. You'll see that thin line of cloudiness. That's not going to have an impact on our weather, but one comes late Sunday, which will have an impact. 63 right now. The dew point is at 53. Winds are out of the northwest at 10, so the winds have come down. No rainfall to report today, but we had yesterday 0.72 of an inch of rainfall at the Sarasota-Bradenton Airport, and that has pushed our monthly total above average. Still, though, we're below average for the year, a couple of inches. Well, tomorrow we'll start off in the 50s, low 50s, mid 50s. By noon, it'll warm up right around 70 degrees. Should be a beautiful afternoon. Highs will be in the upper 70s, lots of sunshine, and looks like even warmer still on Wednesday. Well, here it is, an upper level low. This is the same feature that brought us that cold front. You can see it's causing snowfall. I just talked to my, again, niece in Toledo. She's reporting snow there right now. In Toledo, they had some snow in Cincinnati. Brief snow it is. It's not a lot, but still it's there, and it's snowing near Detroit. Also, freezing rain up in Maine and lots of rainfall in New York and Boston as well. Here's California. They're getting another storm there. Getting snow in the Sierra Nevada range and even some rainfall up into Seattle. That's not too unusual. Pretty quiet in the mid part of the United States. Here's the snow then for tomorrow, heading off toward the northeast. Another snowstorm coming, small, but still heading off toward the east. And also talked to someone from Wisconsin today. They had up over a foot of snow over the weekend. So winter not officially over, and some folks are thinking about packing up and coming back to Florida. North winds 5 to 10 knots in the morning, actually increasing to 15 knots in the afternoon. Seas will be running 2 to 4 feet. Still a little bit of a chop out there because of the winds we had today. Water temperature now at 73 degrees. And as far as the 7-day forecast goes, looks good. We'll be cool tomorrow. We'll warm up to the 77. Should be a perfect afternoon. 82 back to normal on Wednesday, even above normal as we head into Thursday and Friday, mid-80s then. A chance for rain comes late Sunday and into Monday. Pretty good chances, too, of some showers and the possibility of some thunderstorms come Monday. Jacqueline?
Okay, Bob, thank you.